Turtle is a highly recognizable reptile known for its distinctive shell and slow, steady movement. Turtles belong to the order Testudines and have been around for more than 200 million years, making them one of the oldest living reptile groups. Found in diverse habitats, from oceans and freshwater bodies to deserts and forests, turtles have adapted to many different environments. The most defining feature of a turtle is its shell, which serves as a protective shield. The shell is composed of two parts, the carapace, top, and the plastron, bottom. These parts are connected by bony structures known as bridges. The shell is made up of fused ribs, vertebrae, and dermal bone, covered by a layer of keratin. Unlike other reptiles, turtles cannot separate themselves from their shells. Turtles vary greatly in size. Some species, like the leatherback sea turtle, can grow to over 6 feet long and weigh up to 2,000 pounds, while others, such as bog turtles, measure only a few inches. Turtles also have beak-like jaws instead of teeth, which they use to tear and grind food. Turtles are found in nearly every corner of the world, except for the polar regions. They inhabit a wide variety of environments, including oceans, rivers, lakes, swamps, and forests. While sea turtles live in saltwater, freshwater turtles are found in rivers, lakes, and ponds, and terrestrial turtles, often called tortoises, inhabit dry land, including deserts and grasslands. Sea turtles, such as the loggerhead and green sea turtle, migrate thousands of miles across oceans, while some freshwater turtles rarely stray far from their birthplaces. Turtles are primarily omnivorous, meaning they eat both plants and animals, although their diets vary by species. Sea turtles feed on a range of oceanic organisms, including jellyfish, seaweed, and crustaceans. The green sea turtle, for instance, is mostly herbivorous as an adult, consuming algae and sea grasses. Freshwater turtles, like the red-eared slider, eat insects, fish, plants, and amphibians, while terrestrial tortoises primarily eat grasses, flowers, and fruits. Some species have more specialized diets, such as the snapping turtle, which is a carnivorous predator known for its powerful bite. Turtles are oviparous, meaning they lay eggs. Female turtles will typically leave the water or their habitat to find a suitable nesting site. Sea turtles, for instance, return to the beaches where they were born to lay their eggs, digging deep holes in the sand to bury them. Freshwater turtles lay eggs in mud or sandy areas near water, while terrestrial turtles dig nests in the ground. After laying the eggs, most turtle species leave them to incubate on their own. The eggs incubate for several weeks or months, depending on the species and environmental conditions. Temperature plays a crucial role in determining the sex of turtle hatchlings. Warmer temperatures generally produce more females, while cooler temperatures result in more males. Once the eggs hatch, the baby turtles, or hatchlings, must make their way to the water, in the case of sea and freshwater turtles, or fend for themselves in their environment. Many hatchlings face predators such as birds, crabs, and fish, making survival rates low in the wild. Turtles are generally known for their slow movement, especially on land. However, sea turtles are surprisingly agile swimmers, capable of covering long distances at steady speeds. Turtles use their flippers or webbed feet for swimming, while terrestrial turtles rely on their sturdy legs to navigate their environment. Turtles are mostly solitary animals and are not social creatures like some other reptiles. They are also cold-blooded, relying on external heat sources to regulate their body temperature. Many species are seen basking in the sun to warm up. A turtle's primary defense is its shell, which acts as a protective barrier against predators. When threatened, many turtles can retreat into their shells, tucking their heads, legs, and tails inside. Box turtles have a hinged plastron, which allows them to completely close their shell, offering extra protection. Aside from their shell, some species have additional defensive behaviors. Snapping turtles, for example, are known for their aggressive nature and strong bite, which they use to deter predators. Others may use camouflage to blend into their environment and avoid detection. Turtles are known for their longevity. Many species can live for several decades, with some, like the Galapagos tortoise, living over 100 years. In general, larger species tend to live longer than smaller ones. Turtles grow throughout their lives, although growth slows significantly once they reach adulthood. Many turtle species are under threat due to habitat destruction, climate change, and poaching. Sea turtles, in particular, are endangered due to fishing nets, plastic pollution, and coastal development, which destroy nesting sites. Climate change also impacts turtle populations by altering the temperature of nesting areas, which skews the ratio of male to female hatchlings. Illegal wildlife trade is another significant threat, with turtles being captured for their shells, meat, and as exotic pets. Conservation efforts include protected nesting beaches, marine reserves, and breeding programs aimed at boosting populations. Turtles play vital roles in their ecosystems. Sea turtles help maintain healthy coral reefs by grazing on seaweeds, which can otherwise overgrow and suffocate the reefs. They also facilitate nutrient cycling by transporting nutrients between marine and terrestrial environments. Freshwater turtles help control insect and fish populations, while terrestrial turtles contribute to seed dispersal by consuming and excreting plant material. Turtles are ancient reptiles that have survived for millions of years thanks to their unique adaptations and resilience. While they face numerous threats today, efforts to conserve and protect turtles are ongoing. Whether swimming through oceans, basking by rivers, or slowly wandering across deserts, turtles continue to be one of the most iconic and fascinating animals on Earth.